Hello, welcome to Pre-Technical Mathematics. This video lecture is on rectangular coordinates, Chapter 4, Section 3. Okay, a few basics. Oh boy, that line's supposed to be straight up and down. This is our y-axis. This is our x-axis. In coordinates, this is known as quadrant 1. That's a Roman numeral 1. This one, we go counterclockwise, is known as quadrant 2. And I bet you know this one already. Quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. Okay, now a point, or rectangular coordinate, is given as two numbers separated by a comma. The first number is always the x-coordinate. It would be along this axis. The second number is the y, and it would be along this axis. So let's take a look at a couple of numbers and plot some rectangular coordinates. Okay, first number is 1, 7. Remember, this was the x and this was the y. So we go 1 to the right, it's a positive 1. And it's a positive 7, that's the y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our point is right there. That's 1, 7. Okay, let's try this one. Our first number is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is y, negative 1. So we go down. And that's this coordinate. Alright, you should be pretty familiar with this. Okay, now we've got a series of them. Alright, this is our equation, and for this equation, these are our values. So if you put negative 3 in here, you would end up with y being 6. So let's plot these values and see what we end up with. So negative 3, 1, 2, 3, and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then negative 2, 1, 1, 2, and 1. Okay. Negative 1 and negative 2 is negative 1, negative 2, 0 and negative 3. It's right there. 1, negative 2, 1 in the x direction, and y is negative 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, and 3, 6. There's 3, and here's 6. So look at that. What do we form here? Let's see if I can get this drawn. Almost. This is a parabola. Whenever you have an equation with x squared, the answer is always a parabola. Maybe down, maybe sideways, but it's always a parabola. You should look for a parabola when you have an x squared equation. Okay, so we plotted a few points there. Take a look at this one. Y equals 7. That's all we're given. Y equals 7. Well, don't let that fool you. That's one of the easiest ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that will be a line where y is always 7. So no matter what the x value, y is 7. It's always on this line. Okay, here's one for you. Plot these coordinates and then check your answer in the course information. Here's the last one for this video lecture. There's a number of points to plot, but you should notice a little thing here. What's happening here? Okay, go ahead and plot those points. That's the end of this video lecture. Thank you.